On the golden land our ancestors once defended, echoes of their footsteps linger through the trees. Shadows fall on fields where silent prayers are lifted, and the Khmer soldiers stand with hearts that bleed. Border fires glow like ghosts of ancient battles. Winds carry cries of parents calling home. In the quiet dusk, sorrow spreads like ashes. Every sacrifice becomes a seed of stone. Khmer Suvarna Bhumi, we hear your fallen voices. Cambodian heroes standing brave in darkest hours. Your blood still keeps the homeland breathing. Your courage blooms like grieving flowers.
Under the moonlight on a cold and dusty pathway, soldiers march ahead though fear is in their chest. They know today might be the last day they awaken, yet love for country rises higher than their rest.
They carry hope for those who wait in trembling shelters, the sick, the young, the aged without a shield. Each silent step becomes a promise for tomorrow, a vow that their devotion will never yield. Khmer Suvarna Bhumi, we cry with quiet honor for the guardians who held the line through storm and flame. Even in grief, your spirit never fades. Your bravery lives on in Cambodia's name.
When the gunfire finally fades into the distance and the wind returns across the empty plain,
Your memory will rise like dawn upon this nation, your sacrifice etched deep in every grain.